Welcome to our channel, where we explore business ideas and entrepreneurship. Today, we're focusing on how to start a successful laundromat business in Africa. We'll cover the key steps to launch your laundromat, discuss the machines and equipment you'll need, and explore how to select the best location. We'll also delve into marketing strategies to attract customers and make your laundromat a profitable venture. Let's begin by discussing the growing demand for laundromats in Africa and why this business can be a great opportunity. Don't forget to check my WhatsApp phone from this video description. I can help you build your business. The laundromat business is gaining popularity in Africa due to several factors, including urbanization, changing lifestyles, and the need for convenient laundry services. Here's why starting a laundromat in Africa can be a lucrative opportunity. Urbanization and population growth. Africa's rapid urbanization is leading to increased demand for laundry services. As more people move to cities, they require convenient and efficient laundry solutions, creating a market for laundromats. Changing lifestyles. With the growth of the middle class and more people working full-time jobs, there's a greater need for time-saving services like laundromats. This shift in lifestyle creates an opportunity for entrepreneurs. Support for local communities. Laundromats provide a valuable service to local communities, particularly in areas with limited access to washing machines. They can become an essential part of the neighborhood, attracting a steady stream of customers. Host. Now that we've established the demand, let's discuss the essential steps to start a successful laundromat business in Africa. Decide on the type of laundromat you want to start. Will you offer self-service laundry, or will you provide additional services like dry cleaning and ironing? Define your business concept and determine which services will attract your target market. Create a business plan outlining your concept, target market, equipment needs, location strategy, marketing plan, and financial projections. A comprehensive business plan is crucial for guiding your business and securing funding. Select the appropriate business structure for your laundromat, such as a sole proprietorship, partnership, or corporation. Ensure compliance with local regulations and obtain the necessary permits and licenses to operate a laundromat in your region. Determine your startup costs, including washing machines, dryers, rent, utilities, and initial marketing expenses. Explore funding options such as personal savings, bank loans, or investment from business partners. Choose a location with high foot traffic and easy accessibility. Consider areas near residential complexes, universities, or commercial districts. The right location is crucial for attracting customers and driving business. Invest in high-quality washing machines and dryers. Choose machines that are energy efficient and durable. You may also need additional equipment like ironing stations, folding tables, and change machines. If you plan to offer additional services like dry cleaning or ironing, hire skilled staff with experience in these areas. Provide training on customer service and equipment handling. A friendly and knowledgeable staff can enhance the customer experience. Host. With the foundational steps in place, let's discuss the types of machines and equipment required for a successful laundromat business. To operate a successful laundromat, you'll need a variety of machines and equipment. Here's a list of essential items for your laundromat business. Commercial washing machines. Invest in commercial-grade washing machines that can handle high volumes and are energy efficient. Consider machines with multiple cycles and load capacities to cater to different customer needs. Commercial dryers. Choose commercial dryers with energy-saving features and adjustable heat settings. Look for machines with large capacity and fast drying times to improve efficiency. Folding tables and ironing stations. Provide customers with folding tables to sort and fold their laundry. If you offer ironing services, Set up ironing stations with high-quality irons and ironing boards. Change machines and payment systems. If your laundromat is self-service, invest in change machines for customer convenience. Consider modern payment systems that accept cards and mobile payments to offer flexibility. Security systems. To ensure the safety of your customers and equipment, install security systems with cameras and alarms. Security is crucial for maintaining a safe environment in your laundromat. With your equipment set up, let's discuss how to select the best location for your laundromat business. The location of your laundromat can significantly impact its success. Here's how to choose the best location for your laundromat business. Look for locations with high foot traffic, such as near residential complexes, universities, or commercial districts. These areas are more likely to attract customers who need laundry services. Accessibility and parking. Ensure your laundromat is easily accessible by public transportation and has adequate parking for customers who drive. Convenience is key to attracting and retaining customers. Visibility and signage. Choose a location with good visibility from the street. Invest in clear and attractive signage to make it easy for customers to find your laundromat. Proximity to your target market. Consider the demographics of your target market. If you're targeting university students, choose a location near campus. If you're targeting families, select an area with many residential complexes. Competition and complementary businesses. Research the competition in the area. If there are already several laundromats, consider a different location. However, proximity to complementary businesses like supermarkets or cafes can be beneficial. Host. With a suitable location, let's explore effective marketing strategies to attract customers and boost sales for your laundromat business. Marketing is crucial for attracting customers to your laundromat business. Here are some effective strategies to increase visibility and boost sales. Create a unique brand identity for your laundromat. Design a professional logo and use consistent branding across all marketing materials. Your branding should convey reliability and quality service. Launch a professional website that provides information about your services, location, and operating hours. Use social media platforms to engage with customers and share updates on special promotions or new services. Attract customers with special promotions such as buy one, get one free for specific services or discounts for first-time customers. Consider loyalty programs to encourage repeat business. Partner with local businesses such as apartment complexes, universities, or hotels to offer your laundry services. Collaborations can expand your customer base and create additional revenue streams. Engage with the local community by participating in events and fairs. Distribute flyers and business cards in strategic locations to increase awareness of your laundromat business. Train your staff to deliver excellent customer service. A friendly and helpful attitude can attract customers and encourage them to return. Exceptional customer service is a powerful marketing tool. Starting a laundromat business in Africa comes with unique challenges. Here's how to overcome some of the most common obstacles. Electricity instability can be a significant challenge. To overcome this, invest in reliable power backup systems like generators or solar panels. Use energy-efficient machines to reduce electricity consumption. Compliance with health and safety regulations is crucial. Ensure your laundromat meets local regulations and implement safety protocols for your staff and customers. The laundromat industry can be competitive. Differentiate your business by offering unique services or exceptional customer service. Focus on building a strong brand identity to stand out from competitors. The cost of equipment and maintenance can be high. Manage costs by negotiating with suppliers and conducting regular maintenance to extend the lifespan of your machines. Closing scene. The host in a modern laundromat, summarizing the key points and offering final advice. Starting a successful laundromat business in Africa requires careful planning, reliable equipment, and effective marketing strategies. By focusing on customer satisfaction, selecting a strategic location, and addressing electricity challenges, you can create a thriving business that meets the needs of your community. Thank you for joining us. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more content on entrepreneurship and business in Africa. Until next time, happy washing and best of luck with your laundromat business.